Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you how to create animated scrolling logos in Squarespace. Perfect for displaying your partners, clients, or brand credentials on your website in a slick, eye-catching way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up a smooth, professional logo scroller that adds a dynamic touch to any page on your Squarespace site. Whether you're running a portfolio, a small business, or just want to showcase your favorite brands. All right, let's get started. First things first, head over to Squarespace and log in. If you've already logged in before, you probably know the drill. But if you're new, just make sure you're on the dashboard where all your sites are listed. We'll want to click into the website you want to update. If you manage multiple Squarespace sites, double check to make sure you're clicking on the right one. Nothing worse than making changes to the wrong website. Once you're inside your website editor, look for the Pages section in the navigation menu. This is where Squarespace lets you control the structure of your site, and it's also where we'll place our animated logo scroller. Click to select Pages, and your page list will pop up on the left. We're not quite adding anything to a page yet, though. Instead, we need to set up the custom code that's going to make the animation work. To do that, find Settings, then look for Custom Code. Sometimes little menus like this can be a bit hidden, but don't worry if it takes a moment to spot it. Just poke around until you see Custom CSS, which is what we want. Click into Custom CSS, and here you'll see a big text box. This box is where Squarespace lets you tweak the appearance of your site using CSS. Now, simply paste in the CSS code you've prepared for the animated scrolling logos. If you don't have the code yet, make sure to grab one that's built for horizontal scrolling and that fits with your site's look. Once you've pasted it in, hit Save at the top right. That's super important. If you close the box before saving, you'll lose your changes. So just double check you see that saved notification. Now, let's actually add the animated logo scroller to your page. Click Edit up at the top of your page editor. This lets you modify the content on the page in real time. Next, add a new section. I like to put it somewhere prominent, maybe just below the header or above the footer, so visitors can see the scrolling logos easily. In this section, select the Images option. You might have to scroll a bit. Squarespace offers a lot of different section types, so just keep scrolling until you see something like an animated scrolling images feature. Once you've found it, add it to the section. Now, Squarespace will usually fill this gallery with some stock images by default. Let's clear those out. Click to Edit Gallery and delete the default images so you have a nice blank space to work with. Now, upload the logos you want to display. These could be your partners, your accolades, or any collection of graphics you want to showcase. Make sure your logos are sized similarly and in a web-friendly format, like PNG or SVG. That'll keep the scroller looking clean and consistent. When you're done uploading, go ahead and close the gallery editor, then hit Save and Exit on the page editor. Take a moment to preview your site and admire your new animated scrolling logo section. It should glide smoothly right across the page. And that's it. You've just added animated scrolling logos to your Squarespace site. This is a great way to build trust with your visitors and show off the brands you're connected with. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or need help with custom code, just drop a comment below. I always read and reply. Be sure to hit subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials and website tips. Thanks for watching.